Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Crafty Friends. Now this week we've got Vicky Bunn. She is a crafty friend of mine and she is my guest for the week. So she is going to be giving you a top tip on how to read the inches on your rulers or on your trimmers. So if you've ever been a little bit confused when you've seen some measurements and it says cut your piece of cardstock to say 7 3/8 of an inch, this is going to really help you. There's also a download available for you to print off and put on the wall in your craft room. That is linked in the description below. So Vicky has done all of this explanation for you to hopefully make things a lot easier, and I know I certainly understand what those markings on rulers and trimmers really are now. So find the description down below, find the link to the ruler, but also find Vicky's channel. That's where you're going to be able to subscribe to Vicky for more tips and tricks like this.
Hi everyone, it's Vicky here and thank you very much for joining me today. Have you ever struggled with those measurements called inches? Well, I certainly did when I started crafting. I actually had to do a lot of research to try and figure out how to use those, 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch or 1/16 of an inch, and now I've actually got the hang of it, and I'm hoping that this video will explain how to use those inch markings on your trimmer. And also you can have this as a download to have in your craft room so you can look back at those measurements if you are unsure. Okay, so we have this ruler here that you can actually download. It will be in the description below, and you can print this off and have it in your stash so you can look back at it. And we have all these different sized lines. So we're going to start off with the two larger lines here. And the large lines are your 1-inch markings. Then we're going to come down to the next line, which is slightly smaller, and it's this center one here, which is the 1/2-inch mark. Then we're going to come down to our next smaller lines, and it's these two here, and these are your 1/4 of an inch markings. Then we're going to come down to the next smaller lines, which are these 4 here. Okay, and they are your 1/8 of an inch markings. So these ones along the top are ones that you're probably familiar with and you probably hear quite a lot. But it's the next ones that are more tricky, and they are the 1/16 of an inch. Okay, so those ones are the smaller lines in between. So you've got your 1/16, 3/16, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Okay, so on your paper trimmer, you will see you'll probably not have any of the numbers in between those 1-inch markings, and that can be quite daunting. So I thought having this will hopefully be able for you to understand. So I'm going to bring my trimmer in, and we're going to start off with the larger lines on the, and I'll show you on the trimmer. So you have the larger lines here are these ones on your trimmer or your ruler. Okay, and they are your 1-inch markings. So you've got 1-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch, 4, 5, and 6 inches. We're going to come to the next line down, and that is your 1/2-inch mark. They are these lines in the center here. Okay, so they are your 1/2-inch markings. So if someone says to cut your card down to 1/2 an inch, that would be this one here. Or if someone says 1 1/2, you come to the 1 and then come to the center of that. You've got your 1 1/2-inch marking there. Or 3 1/2, come to the 3, move to the center, and that is your 3 1/2-inch mark. You have your 1/4 of an inch markings, which are those two here. So it would be a 1/4 of an inch, and then this one is 3/4 of an inch. 1/4-inch markings on your trimmer are this one here and this one here. So you've got your 1/4 of an inch, which is this one here, and then you've got your 3/4 of an inch, which is this one here, and then you've got your 1 1/4, 1 3/4, 2 1/4, 2 3/4, and so on. And you've got your 1/8 of an inch lines, which are these ones here. So you would probably hear someone say 1/8 of an inch, 3/8, 5/8, and 7/8. And they are the next lines down on your trimmer. So we have these ones here. You've got your 1/8 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch, 5/8, and 7/8. And then we're going along, we've got your 1 1/8 of an inch, 1 3/8 of an inch, 1 5/8, and 1 7/8. Then we come to the dreaded 1/16 of an inch, which are these ones here. And on your trimmer, you will see you've got these smaller lines in between. They're the 1/16 of an inch. So, the smaller lines, you've got your 1/16, your 3/16, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. Okay, so I hope that this was helpful, and this ruler with these measurements will help you out work out what those measurement lines are on your trimmer when you are following a tutorial. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you very soon. Bye.
So thank you very much, Vicky, and don't forget everybody to go along to the Crafty Heaven YouTube channel, subscribe to Vicky's channel, and make sure you keep up with all of her other tips and tricks so that you don't miss anything. Thank you. Join me next Sunday for another of my crafty friends, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.